Digital image processing was a class that focused on the overall big picture of image processing algorithms with an extensive focus on the application development side of the field. The video that you're about to see gives you a glimpse of the extent of the innovative projects that we were able to implement through the semester, and I hope you enjoy it.
What we're trying to do is get a vision impaired person who can't really see get to a point with the aid of a camera and a processing device which is behind the camera. So
and then I come in the screen, do that. Yes. Then I push here.
Go straight. Turn right.
It enables your head to move the mouse or the keyboard, and this enables people with disabilities to use Windows. It's not fully, you can't get the full function from Windows, but you can get a great use out of it. If you want to move the mouse around, or if you want to use Internet Explorer, you can. This is a very, very cheap package compared to the Internet Explorer window that the head track. When he looks down, the program scrolls down, and when he looks up, the program scrolls up. Well, this way you can read it all the way around.
So the problem we sort of thought of is parking. Parking is becoming like a really big problem. Every morning you keep on circling all the parking lots, you never find a spot. So what would be a good solution? So we thought a solution would be have a display outside the parking lot showing what spots are taken, what spots are empty, so that you don't even have to go in the lot. You can just see if you don't find a parking spot to your liking, or if there's no parking spot, you don't have to even go inside.
Display
Empty spot, and then it shows how many spots there, and the third and fourth pictures keep updating on every 1 second. So it's going to show what spots are taken, what spots are empty.
Here is an optical character recognition system, and what it does is scan in a piece of paper with text, and a blind person who cannot see takes that image, and they use our software to look for characters and to say it. Like this line right here. You use the open option, then you find the text. This does take a little while. Yeah. Then you hit say it.
The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dogs, L and W.
Tell you where you're going. It's for those with vision disabilities with little or no vision. It helps them move around without help from other people. It's basically a form of assistive technology.
Can we read the sign on this door? We'll tell you what room number this is.
Future Computing Lab, room 206. Very good.
We're doing image replacement. What we're doing is we want to have a reference image here. We want to, no matter what obstruction is in the way, we want to always be able to see.
Alright, so here's the guy. Can you do that? Okay, so, but on this image, you don't see the hand. Cool.
What we had it here, it's just simulation from this machine right here, the CCTV, which is helping the low vision people. The low vision, they use it to review and read text. But the idea we had, that's external machine. We're looking for something we can use it from our computer. So it's like that the low vision or somebody with some kind of disability can use the computer with some interface and USB camera, like $50, $60 USB camera, and still use the same efficiency right they had right there.
there are going to be more images as you walk down, and when you look at those images, it tells you, it gives you, basically gives you, have a headphone plugged in, basically gives you an audio command that tells you go straight, stop, turn around, or left or right, and say when you reach a dead end, and you can either go only left or only right, and you go and you pick up this image, and this image will tell you go left. When you turn around left. Now,
Like I
what's
said,
still
it's not working.
Go straight.
So we go straight.
so
So, I mean, this is how our software works right now.
I'm impressed. I really am. I mean, y'all got the whole mobility. Y'all must talk to a mobility teacher or something. I think it should depend on the person. I think like there should be like a setting on there. It's like if you want it simple, if you want just simple directions, then you can set it to simple directions. But some people need more than just simple directions. Like some people really need detail.
For instance, you mentioned.
Just give the normal intro.
Recording? Okay. Well, just want to say thank you very much for letting us have a great semester and very good project. Learned a lot. On behalf of Project Pathfinder, thanks. Anything else? Thanks.
Thank you.
Mom would say something similar too, but he had to go to
He had to
work.
go to work.
We really like the way that this course is structured, and a lot of the emphasis was on application rather than just learning the theory. So from the beginning, we learned a lot, digital image processing concept, and also how to apply it.
This is the first application of programming that I think I've ever done in my entire time at UC Charlotte, and I'm a junior. And I've learned more in this one project than I ever have sitting learning how to sort lists or whatever. This is actually applied. I think that if you graduate, you're not going to have anything applied, and this is a great learning step. That's it.
Not necessarily. In your bed, but it works.
Thank you.